In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Power BI Desktop on Windows. Now, you might be wondering why we have different steps for this process. It all boils down to how Power BI Desktop was initially installed on your computer, whether you downloaded it from the Microsoft Store or used an executable installer, also known as an .exe file. Let's dive right into it and make sure you can remove the program smoothly, whichever method you used. If you downloaded Power BI Desktop from the Microsoft Store, the process is quite straightforward. First, let's head to the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Now, in the search bar, type Power BI Desktop. Once it appears in the list of results, take your mouse, right-click on the app, and you'll see an option that says Uninstall. Go ahead and select Uninstall. Now, the system will prompt you to confirm your decision. Make sure to click Yes or Uninstall on any prompts to complete the process. Additionally, you can also verify this uninstallation through the Apps and Features section, where Microsoft Store apps are listed, ensuring that everything is thoroughly removed. If you installed Power BI Desktop using an .exe installer, the process is slightly different, but still fairly easy. Start by opening the Windows settings. You can access this by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon, or simply typing Settings in the search bar next to the Start menu. Once you're in the Settings window, navigate to Apps. This is where you'll find the section labeled Apps and Features. Within this list, you'll see all the programs currently installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Power BI Desktop. When you've located it, click on its name and you should see an Uninstall button appear. Click on Uninstall, and the system will lead you through a series of prompts, often referred to as an uninstall wizard. Simply follow these prompts, making sure to confirm any actions to fully remove the software from your system. And there you have it. Uninstalling Power BI Desktop from your Windows computer is not a daunting task, whether you got it from the Microsoft Store or through an .exe file. Remember, taking these steps will ensure that the application is completely removed from your system, freeing up space and reducing clutter. If you follow this guide, you'll have successfully uninstalled the program without any hiccups. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if you encounter any unforeseen issues during the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.